and I'm going to show you selective images of the skies of now. Take a look at this photo, for instance. Now we're looking at this other photograph that was sent in as well, from Great Britain, from Tracy. Now this kind person as well is explaining, I've seen this formations, two formations. A strange photograph that's come in from Mandy from the US. Thank you and God bless. Another Skywatch image from Rose from Canada is showing you the changes. This is a very important photograph as well, because this person again has gone out when noticing the skies becoming dark. Okay, now another photo has come through from another kind subscriber. We just saw the other photograph and it's been taken just afterwards.
It's not wrong to let go and let the woman ride you. For fuck's sake, don't lose touch with the dog that's inside you. She wanted what you had, you bet she smelled the smoke. Don't whip up, fuck her up, one more time, slam that door. Oh my God, how can you deny us? That's so true.
Okay, I'm going to show you something as well. Another photo just come in by Richard. Now Richard is based in Salisbury in Great Britain, and he's taken an image as well. Sent it through email. Let me just zoom out for you. Let me just move to the right side of the photograph as well. Here it is again. You can see the refraction of light.
You think you can throw water